Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about Array.includes method and Array.find method. Both methods are very important. So now I will go to HTML file and first I will show you the Array.includes method, the syntax and why we use Array.includes method. So now in the HTML file here you can see I have created one array and this array value is the combination of numbers and strings, and this is the syntax of Array.includes method. So first array, then the method name which is includes, and then element. So for me array, this one arr variable, because here I assign this array, so here I have written the same arr. Now the method name is includes, so I have written the method name includes, and then element. So here I have written 3, means element means here if you want to check like any value included in this array or not. So here I want to check the value 3 included in this array or not. So then I can use Array.includes method. So here I have written arr.includes and 3, means just I want to check in this array 3 included or not. So here if you see here 3 is included. Okay, so what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. If your output is true, so you are correct, because 3 is included here in this array, so the output will be true. So here I have stored inside another variable after using Array.includes method, and I console this variable. Okay, now if I go to the browser, so here you can see the output is true, so it is fine. Now here if I want to check anything which is not included in this array, like suppose here I will change the variable name is suppose 7. Okay, and here I will console this 7 variable because I want to check 7 included in this array or not. So here I will change the value is 7. Okay, now if I save and if I go to the browser, so you can see the output is false because 7 is not included in this array. So same way you can check any kind of text. So here if you want to check hello included or not, so here you can write hello, and the variable I have to write the relevant name. So instead of 7 here I will write string. Okay, because hello is the string, and now here I will console this one. So here hello is included in this array, so output should be true. Now let's say in the browser, here you can see true. So same way if you want to check any text value which is not included in this array, you can check here and the output will be false, because if it is not included in the array, like here if I write here hi and if I check in the browser, so it should be false. You can see here. So that is the use of includes method. So many times we use includes method. Later I will show you, but here just you have to understand how those method works. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now I will show you the next method, which is find method. So now here I will go to the HTML file, and now here you can see I have created one array which contain some numbers. Okay, now here I will write the method Array.find. So first you have to understand why we use Array.find. So the method name is find, so you can easily understand if we want to find anything inside an array, we can use Array.find method. Suppose I want to find which number is more than 20. So here more than 20 means like this 30, 40, 50, right? Those three numbers are more than 20. So if I want to find which number is more than 20, so then I can use Array.find method. So the method syntax is, first you have to write your array name. So here my array name is numbers, then method name. So method name is find, then you have to add parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis you have to add again another parenthesis. You can see here same syntax you have to follow. Now after the second parenthesis, here you have to write equals, then this one, okay, arrow, and after that curly braces like this. Now here you have to enter, and now here you have to pass one parameter inside this first parenthesis. Same syntax you have to follow. Maybe first time you will be confused, but when you will practice more and more, it will be easy for you. So here the parameter name I will pass here num. So what is the meaning of num? Num means here it will check those array values one by one. So parameter name here you can write anything, but I have written num. This is the short form of number because this array consider only numbers. But if you want to add, suppose this array consider string value also. So that time num is not a relevant number parameter name, because this array consider string also like this way. So that time if I write num, so it is not the proper thing, right? So here you can write that type value like this. Okay. So now here suppose this array only consider numbers. So now here I will add the parameter name is num. Now you have to write return. Okay. Because I will return which value more than 20. Okay. So here I will write return num. Num means I already told those values will check one by one. So first time I will write num 20. Okay. So first time it will check 10. So 10 is not more than 20. So it will not return 10. Then 20. 20 also not more than 20, right? 20 is equals to 20. So here it won't return 20. But when it will come 30, 40, 50, those values are more than 20. So it will return those values. So inside an array, if you want to find anything, so that time you can write find method. But here we have one important things. So that I will show you. But first we have to check the output. It is returning this 30, 40, 50 or not. So now I will go to the browser here. Okay, because it is not showing because I did not console, right? So how it will display? So now here I will take one variable. So var, and the variable name is result, suppose res. Okay. Now here I will console this res variable and I will check. So I console, save, and now if I go, so here that is the important thing. Here it should return 30, 40, 50 because those three values are more than 20, but it's returned only to 30. Why? Because that because this find method return the first match. So here when I have written like it will return more than 20, so first match means first time it is getting 30, right? After 20 then 30 when it will get once like 30 is more than 20, so it will return the only one value. So that is the important thing. Find method doesn't return all those values, it returns only the first match. Like suppose here if I write 40 and if I write here 30, so num means each value will check one by one. So first time it will check 10, so it won't return because 10 obviously not more than 20, then 20, even 20 also equal of 20, right? Not more than 20. So here when it will check the 40, so 40 it will get it is more than 20, right? So it will return 40 and then find method will stop to check other array values, right? So that is the important thing. Means if you want to take only one value from this array, so that time you can use find method. I hope it is clear, and this is very important thing, right? So now I will save and I will show you in the output. So you can see it's written only 40. So same way you can check any string values here, so you will get the same output. I hope it is clear. If you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.